So, how to set your homepage as your latest post. As you guys know, WordPress Customizer doesn't have the option to set your homepage as a specific post, latest post, or custom post type. So I'm going to show you guys how to set your latest post as your homepage in two different ways using redirection plugins. Alright, so let's get started. And we're not using any coding, by the way. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do for this example, I'm going to set up two random posts. One is going to be a blog post and the other one is going to be a comic page. Then I'm going to go over to plugins, add new, and I'm going to install 3 plugins. Type in redirect to latest post on the search bar. Install the ETH redirect to latest post and the redirect URL to post plugins. Don't activate them yet. Then on the search bar, type in redirection and install the plugin by John Godley. When you're done installing, under plugins, select install plugins. Type redirect in the search bar and all 3 of those plugins should be listed. On the checkbox right next to plugin, make sure it's checked, and under bulk actions, choose activate and then apply. After watching this tutorial, you can choose which plugin you'd like to keep since both plugins don't have the exact same function. Alright, so when you're done activating the plugins, you should see this link at the top that says, please complete your redirection setup to activate the plugin. Click the blue link and you'll be sent to this setup page. If for some reason you don't see the link at the top, all you can do is go to Tools on the left-hand side and select Redirection. When you're on this page, go ahead and start setup. On the next page, you'll see a few options. You can check them if you want, but both of mine are unchecked. Continue setup, and the next page, you have this text highlighted in green that says good, so everything's good to go. And yeah, that's it. You should be on this redirects page, and if you aren't, just make sure on the options to click redirects. You'll see this area that says add new redirection. There you'll see source URL, and that's where we're going to put our homepage URL. This is how my homepage looks like right now. So I'm just going to copy the URL at the top and paste it where it says source URL. Now target URL is where we want the homepage to go to, and in this case it's going to be our latest post. So I'm going to paste in the exact same URL as my homepage, but the difference here is I'm going to add the word latest right behind it. Now add redirection and go to your homepage. And yep, it's working just fine. Our latest post shows up on our homepage. This is all thanks to the ETH plugin that adds latest to the end of your URL and redirects it to your latest post. Next up is the redirect URL to post plugin, which is a little bit more complex, and we're going to be using this to show the latest post by a specific category. And if you want to do a little bit more with it, you can. Just click on the help section and you'll see this getting started guide, which is going to show you how to use the plugin based on different orders, like if you want to sort it by tags, by latest, by month, by year, like anything that you want. It basically has it there. But right now on this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to sort it by latest post based on a specific category. Go back to your redirection plugin, which you can find under Tools and Redirection. Under Redirects, go to that URL that you already created, click on Edit. You don't need to change the source URL since that's still our homepage, but what we are going to do is change the target URL. Now copy and paste the URL that I have on the screen. It should say redirect to latest category name. So after that equal sign that you see right there, you're going to type the name of your category. So my category is Ayla Bing, and Ayla and Bing have a space in between, has spaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Ayla hyphen Bing. So basically, if you have a space in between your words that you have for your categories, make sure that you replace the spaces with hyphens. Make sure that you save when you're done. If you're using Google Chrome like me and you go to your homepage, you might realize that nothing changed. And the trick that I like to do is I like to open a new incognito tab and paste my URL there. So my homepage, I'm just going to go to it And yep, my comic page is there. It's set as my home page. So you have to clear your cookies and cache and all that stuff. So clear your entire browser history before looking at your new homepage after you change the links. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!